Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Porter, staff veterinarian here at KV Supply, and today we're going to demonstrate with the plastic container of lactated ringers how to put the IV simplex in. It's a little harder to do, but not difficult compared to the bags. So need a few pieces of equipment and be careful. It's a couple of procedures, but need an alcohol white pad, and then the top is the tricky part. You've got this little serrated aluminum top. You just got to carefully flip it up. When you come back around, you got to bend it down, otherwise you pop the whole thing off, which you don't want to do. And just seal it down like that. And if you have to, you can kind of push it down just to firm it on a firm object like a table. And then you take the alcohol wipe, clean it off thoroughly, and let it kind of air dry. So that's ready. And then a pair of scissors, and be careful to cut out the simplex. The whole idea of this procedure is to keep everything sterile so you don't contaminate the lactated ringers. Because this tip, plunger tip stylet has a cover, so you're always careful to leave that on there until you're ready to insert it into the lactated ringers. And the other end, where you put your needle down to IV, or most of the time under the skin, is on that end. So you leave that and make sure it's firmly attached. So that's pretty much dried. So now we just take the tip off. And you want to just take the tip, and it's very sharp, okay, like that. And you just see the center of that little hole right in the middle like that. And use a firm table like we are. And you just hold it vertical and you just pop it through. And make sure it's seated well in that rubber like that. And you're all set. Then when you flip it up like this, it's got a little holder in the bottom that you can hook a wire or IV stand, whatever you have at home. And then you got the adjustment here for let the fluid flow. And you can feel your meter, so you can see it's dripping now. So you can shut it off. It's not dripping. And you can set your rate wherever you want it. And you can look for any leakage around that seal. It's sealed, and that rubber fits on there tight, so 99% of the time it's not going to leak. Thank you.